All right, for number 2, there's a sequence. It says every term after the second term is twice the sum of the preceding 2 terms. The 7th term of the sequence is 8, and the 9th term is 24. What is the 11th term of the sequence? All right, let's take a look. Whoops, I just made a mistake there. We're on problem number 2, and I got to read it again. All right, so there's a sequence of numbers. So I'm going to put down like A1, A2, A3, A4. What do they tell me? They tell me every term after the second term. Every term after the second term is twice the sum of the preceding 2 terms. So A3 would equal 2 times A1 plus A2. All right? You know, what's A4 going to be equal to? 2 times A2 plus A3, and so forth and so on. All right? They go on to tell me the 7th term. So A7, they tell me that's equal to what? The 7th term of the sequence is 8. So what does that mean? It's twice the sum of the preceding 2 terms, which is going to be, let's just think about that. It's going to be A6 and A5. I'm just kind of reading through. What does that mean? Well, this means that 4 is A5 plus A6. All right, just reading through. All right, the 7th term of the sequence is 8, and the 9th term is 24. Put this over here. The 9th term is 24. Well, that's going to be twice the sum of the prior 2 terms. So it's going to be A8 and A7. Well, you know what? I know A7. Let me put this over here. What's A7 going to be? Whoops. I think I went too fast with that. Go backwards. Let me write this down again. 2, A7 is 8 plus A8. Well, I think I can figure out A8 now. Let's write this down. So I'm looking at 24 equals 2 times 8 plus A8. Well, it's going to be 12 equals 8 plus A8. So I can say A8 is equal to 4. All right? Now let's keep going. I'm going to keep reading it. What is the 11th term now? Let's write this down. A7 is 8. A8 is 4. Well, I can just march along now. A9. I look at the prior 2 terms, add them together, and multiply by 2. That's going to be 24. What's A10 going to be? I look at the prior 2 terms, add them together. That's going to be 28 times 2, 56. A11, which is the term I want, look at the prior 2 terms, add them together. You get 50, 60, 70, 80. You're going to get 160. Let me go back and make sure I read the question. What's the 11th term? It's 160. And we're done. Thank you.